This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your tenant and team's client support live transcripts and that you are the organizer or presenter. Once done, open the team's desktop app or web and create or join the scheduled meeting. Next, locate the meeting controls. Do not waste time. Click the ellipsis menu. This is the real first step. You are now positioned to enable transcript once the meeting has started and participants are present. Once the meeting is live, click More Actions in the meeting controls to proceed. Select Start Transcription and acknowledge any consent prompts so attendees know recording or transcription will occur. Make sure you pick the correct language for accurate captions. Teams then begins capturing spoken audio, attaching speaker names and timestamps. If you are a presenter, you can pause or stop transcription later. This immediate control helps manage privacy, relevance, and file generation for post-meeting use. To complete the process, stop transcription from More Actions and confirm it ends. Teams saves the transcript to the meeting chat or to OneDrive/SharePoint depending on settings. You can download a VTT file or view and edit the transcript inline to correct names or errors. If something goes wrong, first verify tenant transcription settings, ensure attendees granted consent, and confirm your team's client is up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.